Hello dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show how to run the motor by keypad and how to control the frequency of inverter keypad knob. Press mode button until LOC local, then we can run the motor from keypad. And now we can reduce frequency by keypad knob variable, frequency decreasing, we can increasing and decreasing by the variable knob of the keypad. In this way we can reduce and increasing frequency by the knob of. If we exit this program, then again press mode button, light is off. Now frequency not vary by the knob. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.